In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, the 2025 edition. Whether you're a newcomer to the world of cryptocurrencies or someone looking to reacquaint yourself with the process, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and thoughtfully. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open the Coinbase app on your phone or go directly to the website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Coinbase account. This will be your starting point for all transactions, so make sure your login credentials are secure and updated. Once you're logged in, you're greeted by the main dashboard, which is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making navigation a breeze even if crypto is new to you. Next up, you have two options depending on your preference. You can either tap the buy sell button directly from the home page or navigate through assets. If you choose to go through assets, scroll down until you find Bitcoin, BTC, and select it. This brings up all the detailed information about Bitcoin, including its current price and performance metrics, helping you make an informed decision. Now, once you're in the interface for Bitcoin, you'll see a prominent buy button. Go ahead and tap on it. At this point, you're prompted to enter the amount you wish to purchase. You have the flexibility to enter either the amount in US or the equivalent amount in Bitcoin. Take a moment to consider how much you're comfortable investing. Whether you're buying a small or large amount, Coinbase makes the transaction process seamless. After specifying the amount, you'll need to choose your payment method. Here, Coinbase offers various options to suit your convenience. You can pay directly from your bank account, use a debit card, or utilize your cash balance within Coinbase. It's important to check each method's processing times and potential fees to choose the option that best suits your needs. Once you've selected your payment method, tap on Preview Buy. This is a crucial step as it displays a preview of the transaction. You'll see a breakdown of the total cost including any associated fees, providing transparency before you commit to the purchase. Finally, if everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, confirm the purchase. It's at this moment that your Bitcoin transaction is processed and you'll see the newly purchased Bitcoin appear in your Coinbase portfolio. Congratulations, you've just successfully bought Bitcoin. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to navigating the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Always remember to keep your information secure and happy trading.